Hello everyone. So today we're going to be canning some tomatoes salsa. We use quite a bit of homemade tomato salsa because it's so versatile. We can use it in many things in our dishes. So we can see that I have all sorts of colors, varieties of tomatoes, shapes, sizes, anything. So I like to start off by actually freezing all of my tomatoes that I harvest from the garden and then defrost them whenever I'm ready to make the salsa. And peel the skins off because it's so much easier only if the tomato is fully ripe. And here you're going to see this one was semi-ripe, the shoulders, but I have others that were worse, that were not fully ripe, and they were a bit of a pain to peel them. So I like to do this for all of the tomatoes that I have right now. Core them and peel them. So the recipe calls for 10 cups of tomato chopped and peeled and cored, with 5 cups of onions and bell peppers, 4 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 cup and 1/4 of lemon juice, and 1 cilantro bunch. But I am quadrupling this recipe, as I believe I already mentioned. And here's the end result after I peel all the tomatoes. A total, I have roughly around 26 pounds of tomatoes here. So now we're gonna chop the rest of the ingredients, which is the bell peppers and onions and cilantro. So I have this handy tool to chop things off a bit faster. Obviously, for demonstration, I'm doing with one hand, but things went smoothly. And here's the rest of the chopped veggies, and I'm gonna put it in a stack pot and saute it, fry it, roast it, whatever you want to call it. So they are a little bit caramelized and a little more like a clearish color. And then I'll add the tomato sauce that I have it boiling in a separate pot. So then I'll mix both of the rest of the ingredients together in this one big pot. Now I'm gonna stir. I let it boil for roughly 30 minutes, and then I add the cilantro at the end. Whenever I add cilantro at the end, it's when I feel it gives it the most flavor, because the cilantro doesn't fully cook. I love to do this all the time, and it works like a charm, and the food is tastier. If you love cilantro, you should do this. Everyone in my household loves cilantro, so it's always a must ingredient. I'm gonna do steam canning. It's a lifesaver. It's also less risky. You use less water, and everything is just lighter, and the process is smoother. So if you want to get something, you should definitely get it. I got this from Amazon. So now I have some jars that I need to start canning, and I got a total of 23 1-pint jars in here. And I still have some leftover sauce in the pot because I did not have enough jars, so I have to go get some more. And I will show you the process of it once my alarm goes off. I like to take them off, but you hear this popping noise. That means that the jar sealed and it and the canning was successful. A little foggy, don't freak out. You can see, but look at it. There you go. So then I like to take them out and give them some space so they cool down correctly, or more slowly, I would say. And here's the end result. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a wonderful preserving time or harvest time. You're still harvesting somewhere. Take care.